The remaining tail rod will be used to tie the beam at the front. While the partition at the middle of all the houses is being left, because the weather said at the beginning, initial time when Agbaro approaching for the work, they did not include the partition inside the house that Pat has been referring to for the beam tying. So that is why the beam is now left out. But observers have been coming to identify the beam and the partition that is very necessary for the building to chain it together. So we just deem it fit to come and do the video and for you to get a glimpse of what we are saying, referring to. So that is it.